Adding extra baggage in your Swiss airline is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add extra baggage in your Swiss airline. So for that, you have to be at their website. As you guys can see now here, we have two scenarios. So the first scenario is you are booking a flight. While booking a flight, you can add the extra baggage easily. In the process of booking, you see the option for extra baggage. But the second case is you have already booked the flight, but now you have extra baggage, you want to put it in. So for that, you have to be at the website. You just have to click on this book and manage. And in book and manage, go to manage my booking under book sections. I'm just going to click on that. It will take me to this page. Now here you just have to add your travel ID. After logging in, they will ask you for this code as well. I'm just going to translate it to English, which is your booking code. You just have to add these informations and you guys will be able to edit your booking information. You just have to add the extra baggage. It will charge you a few bucks. So you just have to pay those bucks and your booking for extra baggage should be done. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.